Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Genos Tyros Song of the Week and Buttons class. Now we got some great buttons for you on here and some interesting sounds, and I'm using a style you thought you'd probably never use, which is a lot of fun too. And it's also we're not using a free play, but I think you'll find what I'm doing is very interesting when I do the setup for the song for you. So let's get to that real quick and take a look at the music and the settings for It Was a Very Good Year. Okay, so we're in Bank 10 using registration 4. This is bundle 1. And the style you want is orchestral 12/8, ORCH 12/8. And I'll show you where to find that when I do the close-up. Now, we have variation A and variation C the second time through. But on variation A, when we go to program this is going to be pretty interesting. So let me get to that real quick. And remember to hold down the red notes going to the next chord. If you want to really learn how to play chords, my book bundles do a great job for that because all the notes you're supposed to hold down are in red. Now I also have added a lot of extra notes and chords on page 2 that you'll see in the music, and I'll describe that to you. Okay, so very important here. When I pushed registration 4, notice my sync start is off and A is not flashing, and my OTS link is on. Now you'll see why I did that when I play the song, because when I go to variation B, that sync start will come on automatically since my OTS is on. Now, a couple of the interesting sounds here. You can see I have the left on and the left hold. Very important. Now what happens is when you're playing chords in any mode, if that left hold is off and I go from one chord to the next, you hear the chord stops. Well, I don't want that. I want it to be smooth. So that's what that hold button does, and I'm going to use it that way. We're going to take a look now at the setup and the sounds. This one's pretty easy. Okay, so on OTS 1 here, we have Keno strings tremolo on the left, and you can see that. And they're called tremolo strings on the Tyros, and you'll get that on the back of page 1 when I email this out. Right 1 is soft trumpet, and the Keno strings tremolo are 59 is the volume, and I have the soft trumpet at 127, but you can put it really where you like it, but I like it there. Now on OTS 2, it is the same. However, there's a reason why it's the same, because when I hit that, well, when I hit my variation B, it puts that sync start on automatically, and you saw that when I touched it. So the settings are the same. On OTS 3, you have orchestra horns and trombones at 117, Keno strings warm VC at 109, and the vibraphone at 127 there. So they're the 3 sounds there. Now, I've also got the same settings in 4, but this time I have the harmony arpeggiator button on there. So that's nice too. Now, if you want to know what that is, I'll hit the direct access, and it's a country duet. And of course, you can hit this toolbar down here to change pages. That's on right 2, and it sets there automatically, so you shouldn't have to adjust that at all. Just simply put the harmony on with this style, and it should take you right there. It's a little shortcut. Now, the multi-pads, pretty cool. You can use the multi-pads in this. Interestingly enough, they would fit in nice. So with the settings and everything all ready to go, why don't we just jump into it? And here we go with It Was a Very Good Year. One more thing before we got started. These are the notes I added on the music. So you're going to hear that in there, but you won't see those notes until page 2 and 3. Okay, so you were watching my right hand, hopefully. If you want to play it the way I played it, you see I put some grace notes in there. and of course that beautiful part that I put in there as well for you on the music. But if you want to really do a good job on this, watch all the cross-unders and crossovers and changing fingers while holding a key down, because that's going to be the difficult part on this song. Now, I added grace notes in there, which you don't have to. It'd be a lot easier if you just follow the music as is. And if you want to be challenged a little bit, then just watch my right hand over and over again in this video, and you can learn something about fingering, and it's a good workout. Remember, we have new Genoses in stock, and it comes with my full big bundle completely set up. And actually the best deal and bundle you can get, and you get all 3 book bundles and all your settings emailed to you every week. It's really a great deal because you're getting free private lessons every week too. So until next time, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, and I'll see you very soon.